Okay, so I am getting on Math Prodigy. Okay?
Are you playing
with you, Sissy? Okay, so are you on airmail still? Okay, you're at my house. Let me turn this down. My house is ugly, ain't it? Helena decorated it. It's ugly, ain't it? Well, it's the way her house was, so we made the same house. So, yeah, we have the same pet. Okay, I battled you. I pushed battle. You're on 63 and I'm on 42. Yep. So, okay, Spark Spear. 9 times 20. Kimber, I don't know 9 times 20. Okay. Okay. Okay, are you done with your answer? Yeah. Woo, you're so much powerful than me. I got it right. Because I remember the teacher today was telling us like 9 times 20 because we were talking about when we're going to learn our nines. We're like, and that's going to be a while. Ron said there was 100. That would be 100. Boy, yeah, I know my math. Kimber, you got it right. Oh, I'm dead. See, my health is all the way down. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna be keeper. I won the last round, and it went exactly like this. That's in this 100. That would be 500. 7. If it's 5 or up, then it goes to the highest number. If it's 5 or if it's 4 or lower, then it goes to the bottom. But not all the ways like that. You know, I'm not trying to teach you some bad stuff. I'm just not trying to teach you some bad stuff, okay? Broom, boom. I mean, not broom. Broom? Am I gonna go mop the floor? No. But, whoa, no, please, no. Oh, I missed it. You got it wrong. Kimmy, you got it wrong. You seem so mad. Which of the following adds up to 10? 6 plus 4. I'm not in pre-K. You are almost dead, your girl. Boom, chakalaka, boom, mom, chakalaka. Please don't kill me, Kimber. Please. Select your action. What adds up to 6? 14 plus 5, definitely. I mean 16. No, I'm just joking. I know. It's 13 plus 3. I'm not in kindergarten anymore. But everybody was in kindergarten if they didn't go to school. Okay, what question do you have?
Easy question.
What's the question you have right now? Well,
I'm not on it anymore.
I know, but I wish I had easy questions. Well, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Wait a second. Wait. Hey. Look, I got my max. But I'm dead. So, what? I don't know. Okay. Terrence. are you?
Yeah.
I'm looking at my Bible book. Gotta love to be Christian. This picture looks so weird. May 13th, 2000. Oh, okay. Splashdown. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't judge me. I have to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 6 plus 9 equals 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Wait, no, that's not right. Booyakasha. Got it right, Kimber? Yeah?